channel. In this video, we are going to see Oracle AI database 26 AI is officially available for download. Did you know Oracle AI database 26 AI is officially available for download on-premises Linux x86 64 systems? Yes. The long wait has comes to an end finally, and yes, it is officially available for Linux x86 64 system. Oracle AI database 26 AI is available for download on premises. Earlier in 2025, Oracle has announced in Oracle AI World, the Oracle AI database 26 AI replaced with Oracle database 23 AI. What is available? You can download now the Linux version of Oracle AI database 26 AI Enterprise Edition with 23.26.1.0.0 from the usual sources as gold image. Include the RU as a separate RU. What is available? Currently, you can download now the Linux version of Oracle AI database 26 Enterprise Edition 23.26.1.0.0 from the usual sources as the gold image. Include the RU or a separate RU from the Oracle eDelivery sites as well as the oracle.com sites, and also my Oracle support sites also. My Oracle support sites, you can download that database release. You can also download that client version of that instant client 23.26.1 and the free edition of 23.26.1. So Oracle database 23 AI 26 AI, what does it include? Oracle AI database 26 AI on premises now available for download, and it has come with key new features in database security perspective. Number one, SQL firewall and multi-factor authentication for local user and schema privileges and increased maximum password length, read-only user and sessions, developer role, updated Kerberos library and radius improvements, improved and more secure local auto login wallets, new SQLnet.ora parameter to prevent the use of the deprecated zippers, enhancement to radius configuration, enhancement to the DBMS crypto PLSQL package, column level editing, and much more. So, GA of Oracle AI database 26 AI of Linux x86 on-premises platform, Oracle AI database 26 AI Enterprise Edition for Linux x86 64 is now generally available for on-premises platform as part of the January 2026 quarterly release update version 23.26.1. This milestone release brings the full power of Oracle AI database 26 AI, including AI vector search, globally distributed database with RAFT based replication, in database SQL firewall, quantum resistant encryption, true catch, JSON Relational Duality, Apache Iceberg Lakehouse support, and much more to your data centers. What next? Time to upgrade. So you can start your database Oracle 19c database to directly you can upgrade to Oracle 26 AI, and Oracle 21c databases you can directly upgrade into 26 AI, and Oracle 23 AI database you can apply the latest RU patch. It becomes the Oracle database 26 AI. So there are three ways to upgrade your Oracle databases, older version to new higher version of Oracle database 26 AI. So in my next video, I'm going to demonstrate Oracle database 26 AI installation step by step and upgrade paths. So 19c to 26 AI, 21c to 26 AI, and 23 AI to 26 AI. So let's see. Thanks for watching.